YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be a Coach and strap extravaganza. I have a handbag, 2 Coach straps, 2 webbed straps, and a hat, and a wristlet to show you. So this is going to be fun. I've got a whole slew of things to show you, and we are going to check out some Coach today. So the first thing I want to unbox is in this box. Let's get into the box. It is beautifully, fabulously wrapped. This is the hat. I love it whenever Coach wraps things right, and this certainly is. Whenever I went to the Coach store in Springfield, Missouri, I saw this and I sort of thought about it. And I passed because I do have a denim Coach hat. I have a whole hat collection. I can link it down in the description box. But my very favorite is the denim one. And I saw this one. It's part of the new denim line, and it is so super soft. I have denim, and I also have white denim, and I really prefer the blue denim one. And my blue denim one has brown trim around the edge, just like my soft tabby. And so I thought this would be worth a try. And another super cool thing about it is that it came in 2 sizes. It came in either a small or a medium large, and this is the medium large. And I've not ever seen a buckle like this for Coach, so it'll be interesting to see how that feels on the back of my head. I don't know about that, but let's give it a shot. So this is the medium large. I do have kind of a big head, at least for hats. So let's try it out. Oh, okay, that does not feel good, but let me just adjust it a little bit for my large head and make it a little bit bigger. It's pretty bad if you've got to wear it almost on the biggest setting and it's already a large hat, but this is definitely the biggest that I can go. You see there? I don't have such a good feeling about this hat, so I'm going to put a little bit of tissue paper right there to keep me from getting makeup on it in case I have to send it back. Oh man, I do not like that buckle thing. Oh, well, heck. I don't know if I'd get used to that. That thing is really unpleasant back there. Let me show you. God, I can feel it poking me. I think it's going to give me a headache. It's a cute hat, but you end up feeling this little bit right there on the back of your head. So this is a fail. My first unboxed item is an epic fail. Gosh darn it. Let's move on to something that might be considered a success. So I have my Tiffany blue Cassie 19 here to play with. And I wanted to start out with some strap action. I got these 2 straps from Amazon, and I ordered them from Amazon rather than see-through purses because she doesn't have 1.4-inch straps in great supply, and I thought for the Cassie 19 that was a better size. And I know that I like the size on the Cassie 19 because I did get that strap with the B on it to go with my red one from See-Through Purses. So I went back and looked, and she just didn't have very many that weren't the wide size. So let's go ahead and try these on with this bag, and you'll have to let me know what you think. This multicolor one is a little bit wild for me. I had a hard time getting that word out, so I don't know if I'm gonna like it, but let's check it out. So I do think that that is kind of fun, and it's only, I think it was like $10 or $11, so I think I'll keep it. I have one other bag on the way that might possibly look good with the strap. I don't think it will, but you never know. But that's sort of a fun look for this Tiffany blue Cassie 19. It's called Faded Blue, but I call it Tiffany Blue. Part of the reason I want the narrower strap is you end up with much smaller hardware in terms of the width here. And I think the Cassie 19 being a petite bag, that it looks better to have daintier hardware on the bag. This is definitely a more neutral look, and you could pair it with all sorts of creams and browns, or even what I have on. I don't really think it looks bad. That's why I put the pink on, because it's kind of on, I think, the opposite side of the color wheel. But isn't that a pretty strap? The blue is not a perfect match, but it's pretty close. And when you have it on like this, then it looks even closer. So you'll have to let me know what you think. I'll link these two straps down in the description box for you, and you can give them a try if you would like. This next reveal should be no surprise. I walked around with it in the Coach store when I went, and I'll link that video for the shopping experience at Coach down in the description box, just in case you missed it. I showed all of the new releases. I tried to show everything in as much detail as I could. But I saw this strap there, and it's been available for quite some time. I think it's 25% off now. And of course, when I bought it, I got 10% off because I bought a couple items, the hat and this strap. And in the process, I got a free item, which is this little wristlet in the purple with the silver hardware. And my wristlet came and it had a couple of little weird spots in the finish. So I actually glazed it with the matte acrylic finisher that I got off Amazon. And it gave it this sort of a sheen to it. It's not a patent type sheen. It just has a little bit of a gloss to the leather, and it smoothed out those uneven spots in the finish. I thought, why not test it on something like this? It was a smooth leather with a matte finish. Now it's a smooth leather with kind of a little bit of a gloss. The product I used is called Matte Acrylic Finisher. And if you look, if I scratch my fingernails on it, it's not leaving any marks. So it's almost like it gives it a barrier of protection, which might be a good thing inside your wallet. This wristlet actually holds a fair amount in there. I mean, it's a decent size. You could easily put several lipsticks in there just for reference. So I don't know if I'm going to end up using this. We'll see. It is a really pretty shade. I may end up giving it away as part of a giveaway. And I do have a 5,000 subscriber giveaway coming up. When I hit that milestone, I have a handbag that retails for $485 that I'm going to give away. And I might also give away this. We'll see. So stay tuned for when I hit 5,000. This little wristlet would be fun to stick inside the Cassie 19 if I was using this strap, because it would match the strap, and so would the Cassie 19. So I will go ahead and link this strap down in the description box if it is still available, but it was the last time I checked, and it got marked to 25% off. The wristlet deal is not available anymore as far as I know. So basically I got the wristlet instead of the 25% off on the hat and, well, on the strap. I think the hat, it wasn't part of that 25% off. So there she is in all her glory. Now, I did try this on in the store, but it is not long enough, in my opinion, to use it like this unless you're in a pinch. But I do think it looks really pretty dangling. And when you put the strap on the bag that comes with the Cassie 19, it pulls these D-rings up like this, and then the strap will stay on the front side of the bag. So there you go. I think that it's really pretty dressed up like this, and you can tell it sort of dangles and drapes there, and it's not nearly so long as the Cassie 19 chain. You can see there how much longer the Cassie 19 chain is than this link chain. And the link chain retails for $125, but then you get the 25% off if you hop on it while it's still available. Today is May 7th, 2023, and it should still be available. I will link it if it is down below. So now let's move on to the handbag reveal. I've been dying to get this bag out of the bag so that I can show it to you and put it back up on my shelf. And I say back up, it's not really this bag that's going back up, but I have had this bag in the past. So let me just tell you a quick little story. This is the Papaya Soft Pebble camera bag. And I basically cheated on her with the Louis Vuitton Pont 9. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it down in the description box. I saw Amy's Pont 9 and I just thought I had to have it. And I do need it. I mean, it's gorgeous. You know, I need it. But I basically cheated on this pretty little camera bag with the Pont 9. And now that the Pont 9 is at Louis Vuitton repair, and actually even before I sent the Pont 9 to be repaired because the zipper fell off basically when I opened the box, I started wishing that I had this bag back. And it's not because the zipper fell off, but this bag is so lightweight and smooshy and comfortable to wear. And I just thought, if I'm going to wear an orange or pumpkin colored bag in the fall, like to a fall festival or to a theme park or something like that, I think that this bag would be better suited for that, and the Pont 9 would be better suited for special occasions. I got a fabulous deal on that Pont 9, but the bag retails for over $4,000, and I would not want to take it to an amusement park or to a fall festival. I just wouldn't feel comfortable doing that. But this bag, I would. And I've got so many clothes that match this shade of papaya or pumpkin orange that I just couldn't not buy it when I saw it again. So I basically lost 15 bucks on this bag because I sold mine and then I repurchased it, but I think it's well worth it to have her back in my collection, and she is here to stay. She comes with this gorgeous web strap in the color Petunia, and then she also comes with this skinny strap, and you all have seen my soft pebble camera bags in the past. If you haven't, I can link something regarding soft pebble camera bags for you. But she comes with this really cute grommeted thin strap, which is a little bit too thin for me. And so once upon a time, I had the Tally in papaya, and I don't have that anymore either. I thought when I got the Pont 9 that I just didn't need any other bag in this color. And I still feel the same about the Tally. I have the Tally in black and chalk still, but I did not end up feeling that way about this camera bag. It's like I cheated on her, cast her to the side, married the Pont 9, and then once the Pont 9 went away to the spa for the weekend, I went back to old reliable. I kind of have a wandering eye when it comes to bags. I tend to always like look for the next bag and never ever stop. And that's a real problem. It's, I guess what you would say, a handbag addiction. I'm always looking for the next best thing, and sometimes I might already have that best thing in my closet, but I'm still looking for something else. It's a little bit cuckoo. So this web strap is a bit outfit specific, and it does say Coach on it. I really prefer when these don't say Coach on them. I like the Tally straps that have the woven chain detail instead of the Coach written on it. But I don't really plan to wear this bag with either of the straps it came with. I'm going to keep them, you know, just in case. But that is my final Coach reveal. So before I bought this bag, I was eyeing her, you know, cheating on my Pont 9. And I came across this strap in one of my Facebook groups. This went with the Cashin bag. I think it was the Cashin 32. So I had the Tally strap at one time, and the Tally strap's a really nice one, and it has the grommets on it. Just like this one, the Tally strap is also smooth leather. And this one popped up from one of the gals I know on Facebook in one of the Coach groups, and it was $60. And who would have thought that someone could post straps of different colors and just sell them like that? But hey, this works amazingly well. I haven't tried it on yet. Let me go ahead and do that. The clips on it are slightly larger than the clips on the skinny strap, but that really only makes sense. And you can really see the difference in the girth of the straps when you hold them up next to each other. So there she is. I've also dangled a strap from a Cassie 19 on the front of this bag as a grab handle. I have a shirt. This is my favorite Pont 9 and camera bag shirt, but it looks really cute with the Cassie 19 strap in the front. This is how I wore it on one of my shopping trips, and I just thought it was so handy because I could grab it like this. Then it looks kind of like their lunchbox bag whenever you have the handle in the upright position, but then just plop it right back down. And I think I just might like the strap from the Cashin just a little better than the Tally strap. Let me adjust it just a wee bit longer. So there's longer. I think these camera bags are kind of fun to wear in almost a belt bag type of setting, kind of at an angle like that. So that's on the second to the shortest setting, and you can see I've got all these pretty grommets right there, but the buckle, it doesn't go up over my shoulder, so that's super comfortable for me. And you see what I'm saying? I love it. So I think that's all she wrote. I've got quite a bit of editing to get this video out today, but here's my new bag. She came back to me, even though I cheated on her with the Pont 9. Hopefully she'll stick around because I rarely buy bags back that I've sold. And if I do, I think that generally that means I really want them, or either that, and I think that generally that means that it was a mistake to sell them. But you never know. I mean, sometimes you sell something once, buy it back, and then realize that you did make the right decision the first time. I did that once with the Porcelain Rose Gucci camera bag, the Marmont camera bag. I bought that bag twice in Porcelain Rose and sold it twice. But there have been very, very few occasions that that has happened. Most of the time when I sell stuff, I'm done with it and I move on and don't even think about it. But this little cutie, I just couldn't get off my mind, and she was around 200 bucks, and I thought, why not? Just bring her back home. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram, and the name there is the same. It's the @ then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there, or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.